This conference will now be recorded.
Let me log in with my credentials. Rupam@of101.com, password CRM1234 hash. Last class we started creating solution. We started with creating an object. We started right after creating the solution app, we created object, and then we went ahead and created a tab. We have seen that there are 4 types of tabs available: object tab, web tab, Visual Force tab, lightning component tab or lightning tab, right? We also started creating fields. Okay, so now quickly start taking the definitions. Some writing work first. Let's complete some writing work. Put a heading called as app. App, right? App. Write down app. Bracket solution project. Bracket solution or a project. App, bracket solution or a project. Solution or a project, right? Write down what is a solution or a project, right? App is a collection of 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 tabs. App is a collection of tabs with a common interest or purposes. An app is a collection of tabs with a common interest or purposes. With a common interest or purposes, right? Next line. There are 2 types of app: lightning app, classic app. There are 2 types of app: lightning app, classic app. Lightning app, classic app. Next, object. Object, bracket table. Next paragraph, object, bracket table. Table. Bracket table. Right. Storing of a transactional data. Storing of a transactional data. Storing of a transactional data in a table is called object. Storing of a transactional data in a table is called object. Storing of a transactional data in a table is called object. There are 2 types of objects: custom object, system object. There are 2 types of object: custom object, system object. What is a system object? Predefined system tables. Predefined system tables are called system object. Predefined system tables are called system object. Predefined system tables are called system object. Example: account, contact, lead, opportunity, cases, etc. Example: account, contact, lead, opportunity, cases, etc. Next, custom object. User-defined tables are called custom object. User-defined tables are called custom object. User-defined table are called custom object. Full stop. Custom object always have double underscore C as prefix. Prefix or suffix? What do you call it? After you add something, what do you call it? Suffix or prefix?
Suffix.
Suffix, right? Okay, so suffix.
Suffix.
Not prefix. Right. Suffix. Write down. Custom defined object always have underscore underscore C as suffix. Example, patient underscore underscore C, passenger underscore underscore C, payment underscore underscore C, diagnostic underscore underscore C, all the underscores, right? Next, right? Next, tab, write down tab. Next, all we did this yesterday. I'm just giving you the notes today because yesterday was only watching, right? Tab. What is a tab? Representation of a object, representation of an object or a source, representation of an object or a source is called tab. Representation of an object or a source in front end is called tab. Is called tab. Next line, there are 4 types of tab. Number 1, object tab. Number 2, Visual Force tab. Number 3, web tab. Number 4, lightning tab. Object tab, Visual Force tab, web tab, lightning tab. Any sequence.
What is the second one, Mr. Rupam?
Once again, I'm repeating. Object tab, Visual Force tab. Next, first one, object tab. Second one, Visual Force tab, Visual Force. Third one, right, web tab, web, WEB. Last one, lightning tab. Lightning tab. Right, lightning tab. Done? Right. Now, this is what we did yesterday. I gave you the notes. Now let's go to the object that we created. Yesterday we created an object called as patient. Here it is. I open the patient tab, patient object. I click on fields and relationship. I click on new field. Right? Now, yesterday we created a checkbox. We created a currency. We created a date. Then we stopped it. Now I'll create date and time. I'll continue that development. Next, What is that? I will say date of birth. Did you create a date of birth? Okay, no. The date of birth, date of birth, date of birth, date and time of birth. TIME, time of birth. Any default? No. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Next data type. Email. I select email. I click next. I say patient email. Patient primary email. Primary email. Right? Click next. If you required, you check it compulsory. Now I'm not making any field required. Click next. Click save and new. Next field. Geolocation. Geolocation will give you two fields, longitude and latitude. Whenever you go to a Google map, www.google.com, you type any place, say PITL capital info solution, right? I click on it. I click on the map. Capital info solution. I click on the map. Where it is? Here it is. Starting of Amirpet. As soon as Amirpet starts, you can see capital info solution. Here it is. Right? Now on the top, can you see here longitude and latitude? On the address bar, I just highlighted 17.4372179. Next, latitude 78.4450. This is important. With latitude and longitude, you can plot, you can find any information on the map. Any information on the map, right? Same thing here. Geolocation. I click next. It will give me two fields. What is that? House address, house location. Guys, any disturbances around? If you have any disturbances, anything, the voice is perfectly clear.
Yeah, clear.
Do you see any fan sound or something? Is it disturbing, annoying?
No.
No, right? Okay, that's good. I click on decimal. I'm not taking degrees, minutes, and second. I'm taking decimal. How many places? I will say 3 or 4 places. 4 places. If you see how many places are there, how many places decimal are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh man, 7 decimal places. Right? 7 decimal places. Sorry, 7 decimal places. I'm taking 4. That's it. Click next. This will give me two fields. This will give me two fields. This will give me two fields. Right? 1 second, guys. I'm back. I click next. I click save and new. Scrolling down. Next field, I'm taking number. Number is an integer. Integer field. It's a number. It will take number. Click next. What is that? I will say what number? Tell me. In a hospital, anything with number? Anything? Phone number? Mobile number? What do you want? We'll take mobile number. Mobile. But remember that it will not accept +1. Plus will not be accepted because it's a number field. I said, okay, how many length? I'll say 10 digit. Right? Decimal 0. 10 digit means up to 10 digit. Next. Next. 7. Right? Next number is over. Right? Percentage. Click next. What can be a percentage in hospital? I will say RBC percentage. RBC or blood group, something was there, no? Blood RBC percentage. I will say 2 decimal places, 2 length plus 2 decimal places. 99.99 RBC blood test. Whenever you want a percentage field, you can take this percentage. Is it required? Any help text? No. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Next field. After percentage phone, click next. Right? I will say, right? What is that? LANDLINE, landline phone. Phone. Here, it's a text field actually. It will accept anything. For example, in US, they put a bracket 512 hyphen the phone number. In India, we write +91. Plus is a character, right? So finally, phone field is what? It's not a number field. It's what? It's a text field. Because if it's a number field, then it shouldn't accept +91. Plus shouldn't be accepted. But phone field is never a number field. It is always a text field. Then why the phone field is given separately? I have already have a text field, because here whenever you take phone field, it will do a US formatting. US formatting. In the US, right, first 3 digit will be put in a bracket. They have a state code or what do you call it, right? State code. Those who are from US, they would be knowing it, right? Their number shows like 713 bracket. Then, so click next. Click next. Click save and new. Next, scrolling down. Right. Next, after phone, pick list. Click next. What is the pick list name? Department. Do you want to use a global pick list? A pick list which is common in all the tables? No. I don't know what is a global pick list and we don't know how to create it. So we ignore it. I will take no. This pick list is for this particular table. What is that? I will say gynecology. Gyno. N-E-U-R-O. Neuro. Right. ENT. Ortho. Right. Gastroentero. Opto. Then what else? So many department. Right. General. You can choose between gynecology, neurology, ENT, orthopedic, gastroenterology, right? Ophthalmology, pedia, child specialist, pedia. Do you want to arrange them in alphabetic order? No. Do you want to set the first value as default value? No. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Scroll down. Pick list, you can select only one. Multi-pick list, you can select more than one. Click next. What is that? I will say facilities. Facilities. Again, global pick list? No. I don't have a global pick list or nothing, but you define one pick list and you can use them in all the tables rather than you creating again. Something like country in the address. Country, right? State country pick list. Right, wherever you want address, why to create again 29 states of India? I'll declare once and I'll call it everywhere. Those are called global pick list. Here, I don't know how to create, so we'll see later. Now, what are the values? I will say wheelchair, right? Wheelchair. Next, after wheelchair, what else in the hospital? We can have deluxe room, executive room, dedicated nurse, 24/7. I want a dedicated nurse. Special nutri meals, normal MEA, standard meals. Next, right? What else? What else in hospital? Leave it. These are the choices.
I see.
Okay. I see you. Anything? Anything? You
Cafeteria.
think? Not that I'm giving for patient. No. Right. I will say assistant meal. Assistant meal. If somebody is there with the patient, his meal also we will give. He can choose. Right. Assistant. Right. ACCOMODATION. Accommodation. Right. Done. Enough of choices. How many lines to be visible? 5. 5 lines, and remaining all will go in a scroll bar. Okay. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Let's stop here for a minute. Right click. Click a new tab. I clicked a new tab. Let's see the end user screen. You know that it will not be deployed soon. It will take time. Let's see. Yesterday we created some patient. Let's see whether it's appearing now or not. So fast it appeared. See, Anushka registration fee. Very good. I told you, no, sometimes it's fast, sometimes slow. Whenever I click on new patient, you see that the form will appear. First name, right? Anushka is over. Now in Telugu, Tollywood will take, right? Who else? Rashmika, Rashmik. Rashmika. How much? 500. Date of birth. This is what we created today. Let us say that she was born in 1996. 12 p.m. No, at 1:30 a.m. Primary email rashmika@rashmika.com. House location. See that 2 fields, longitude, latitude. House field. What is that house? 17.1234, 14 point, 78.6789. Mobile number 1234567 RBC 98%. Landline 04023344444. Department, is the choice coming up? Gynecology, right? I will say neurology. What are the facilities she wants? She wants deluxe room. She wants dedicated nurse. She wants standard nutri meals. She wants assistant meal. She wants assistant accommodation. Safe. One patient got generated with all the info. These are the facilities she has opted. See, her date of birth, her registration date is today, her house location, right? Everything system got captured, right? Perfect. Next, continue, right? Pick list over. Next, text. Click next. What is that? Last name. Patient last name. Patient last name. Length 50. Required? No. Unique? No. External ID? No. Default value? No. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Next, text area, right? Separate line. Text, you can enter only one line. You cannot press enter. In text area, you can press enter. Separate lines up to 255 character. Click next. I will say problem. What is the problem? Problem or issue, right? Problem or issue. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Scrolling down. Text area long. Same as text area, but in the text area, you have 255 characters. In the text area long, you can have 1,31,000 characters. So click next. What is that? I will say medical history. 5,000 is enough. What do you think? How many lines visible? 5 lines. Show 5 lines. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Next. Text area rich. Here you can have bold, italics, underline. You can insert an image. Rich. Here also it will hold up to 1,31,072 character. Click next. I will say medical history is over. Family history. Wait. How many characters? 5,000 is enough. 25 lines. You cannot have less than 10 lines. When I click next, it will give error. Minimum line is 10. I'll put it 25 back. Why? Because it has to give you controls. A lot of controls has to come. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Let us complete and then we'll see the output. Text encrypted. Whenever you want to enter a password, xxx ... we call them as test encrypted. Click next. I will say credit card number. Length 16 digit. Mask. All the characters. Last 4 character. Credit card number. Yes. Mask with what? Star star star. It will look like this. No. XXX. It will look like this. Sample it's showing here. I click next. I click next. I click save and new. Scroll down. Only time, not date. Only time. Click next. Time. Registration date is there. Registration time. You can upload. You can create a default now. It will give you correct time. Click next. I'm not giving any defaults. Click next. Click save and new. Last is URL, where you can store some link. You'll say, right, FB link, www.facebook.com/Rupam Chakravarti. Something, any link you want to store, web link. Click next. Click next. Click save. No more new because all the fields are bottom up done. These are the fields that we just created. In real time, you would be creating like this, right? Fields as per business requirement. It will be given in the story. In the story, the field list will be given. What field to be created, right? What data type to be created. All these things will be there, right? So you have to create like this. Let us see the output. I go to patient. I refresh the patient, right? Next, I click on new. My page comes. Scroll to the last. Last is time. No, last is link. Yes, it's there. Right? So that single page form, whole, top to bottom. Rupam, can I rearrange this form? Yes, you'll see today. Patient name. What is that? Right? Patient name Prabhas. Patient date of birth. Patient email address prabhas@prabhas.com. Patient house location 16.1 1 2 3 4 5 or 4, right? 79.2222. Mobile number 111111. RBC percentage 98. Line number 0402777777. Department ENT. Choices wheelchair, deluxe room, wheelchair with a control key on the keyboard. Patient last name A Prabhas. I don't know his last name. Issue, right? Issue, right? Cannot hear, or right? Throat swelling. Throat swelling. Medical history, right? Here I can write multiple line. You can see that. Here also you can write multiple line. The only difference is that here 255 character, here 1,31,000 character. No.
And Mr. Rupam, is there a limitation for only text? The text
255.
250.
There you are giving, no, for text we are typing, no, 50, 100, so max is 255.
Okay.
Right? Here you can see that. What is that? Family history, MOTH, mother side, SID, mother side. I can bold, I can put italics, I can color it red. See mother side. Mother side. What are the problems we have? Diabetic. Mother side, diabetic. Mother side. Just I'm giving something. Right. Next, what is that? High blood pressure. High blood pressure. Right. I want to put a bullet point. Bullet point. 1, 2, 3. I want to insert an image. Insert image. Something. I'm inserting one image. That's it. Credit card number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 16 digit. Registration time. Right. Link www.facefacebook.com/rupm_chakraborty. See, system has created a patient called as Prabhas. All the details I filled, including the image is saved. Colors. Without writing a program, you were able to develop a form. Without writing a see a link, you click on a link, it'll open www.facebook.com/rupam-chakraborty. It's trying to open. That's the link. Everyone clear with all the data? Yes.
Rupam, can we even get the registration time?
Yeah,
We
have
are
it,
just
not manual.
entering there. Yeah, we are entering there manually, right? So can we get
You can put a
automatic?
default. Yeah, we can put a default there.
Okay.
Default, you
Can
can
you
write a
just show me
formula.
once? Because yesterday I have tried. Okay. I have some issue over there. Example, like right now your system time is like 5:40 p.m. Right?
Mhm.
When
That
I
is
just
no,
yeah.
that is your timing, but this is not on your timing. No, this is you have not yet set the time in the server. It is
Okay.
taking
Okay.
US Los Angeles time PDT.
Yes.
It is
Yes.
if you see system time, it will not show 5:41. No,
Mm-hmm.
in US it is not 5:41. Might be something else, right?
Okay. So can we change it?
Yeah, we will change it later.
Okay. Sure.
Your time is coming, right? Default time.
Yeah, default time, like, right now mine is like Kolkata, so
Don't say
it is
your
like GS.
don't say mine. Right? Your time
Okay.
is not even accepting. Time is coming, right?
Yeah, time is coming.
That's it. So it's taking the server time. It's not taking your time. It doesn't recognize your time at this moment.
Okay,
How
sure.
the system will know that? System will not take from your local system timing. No, anybody can change this timing. This timing, anybody can change it, right? This is a date and time setting. I can make it 6:40.
Yes,
Right?
yes, yes.
People can start playing around with this. People will say, no, no, who said I created? I created in the morning. He created just now. He changed the system timing to morning 9 o'clock, and then he created an account and or patient, and he will say, see, I created at morning 9 o'clock, but actually he created at 5. Others will say, no, I checked at 10 o'clock, it was not there. Actually, he didn't create it. So people can play with this timing. So this timing has no value. So don't even
Oh,
talk about this timing. These are
okay,
no system takes this time. Remember this,
okay, okay.
right? That's good. Let's go ahead. Okay, fine. Now you see that this is how the design came in. The sequence in which I created the field, in the same sequence it came. Right? Now I don't like it. One side completely blank. Why? Why? Why can't we have 2 by 2 column? One here, one there. Let's go ahead and see. That's called page layout. What is a page layout? It's a design. It's a representation of a field and a button in a page is called page layout. By default, immediately one page layout created called as patient layout. You gave the name as of the table as patient, it created a layout called as patient layout. Now we will create a new one. We don't like it. I will click a new one and I will say walk-in patient. Walk-in patient. I'm creating a new layout. I clicked on page layout. I clicked on the new button. Do you want to copy from existing? No. Save. A new layout got created now. New layout. New layout. I drag a section. I drag a section. What is the section name? I will say general, P-A-T-I-E-N-T, patient, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Do you want this edit detail? Yes. Do you want 1 column or 2 column? 2 column. If it's a 2 column, how do you want to go? Left to right or top to bottom? Left to right. Click OK. Drag and drop whatever you want. For example, patient registration number. I want to drag in the general info. Beside that, I should be able to see what? Patient first name. First name is right. Patient first name. There's the last name is here. Okay. Let us drag. Later we can arrange. Let patient. First name is a compulsory field. See that it's here. Drag and drop. I want first name. I want this side last name. Patient registration number. I want the patient registration date. Where is the registration date? Registration date. Registration number, registration date. That's it. Here, this section, I'm saying delete. Delete the section. I will drag one more section. What is that? I will say patient contact details. I click OK. A new section comes called patient contact details. There, I will say landline, mobile. Let me drag first everything there. Primary email. Right? House location. So I'm dragging mobile here, landline there. Primary email here, house location here. Over. I will drag one more section. Drag it. I will drag one more section. What is that? I will say patient, right? Patient problem details. No, payment details. I say okay. There I will say fee paid. Yes. Then I want the registration fee. Registration fee. I want credit card number also. The fields that I created. By the way, patient FB link, Facebook link, we'll put it in the patient contact detail itself. FB link. Right? That's it. Anything else? We don't have. Patient contact details, that's it. In the general, registration date is there. Registration time also we'll put in the general, but okay, leave it. I don't want to put the registration time. It's not that every field that you create, you have to put it in the page. No. Compulsory fields are must. Remaining fields, you can leave it there. Now I will say, drag a section. One more section I'm dragging. What is that? I'll give a name called as, right, problem. Right, problem. There I will say, right, problem or issue, right? I will say medical history. I will say department. I will say facilities, right? Family information, right? RBC percentage. What is this? Date and time of birth. We will put it here. Patient general information, date and time of birth. We will put the registration time also. Registration time. We can put this field here. We can drag the field here, up and down. Right? Perfect. Whatever field I want, I have taken. I click on save. A new layout has been created. Two layouts, two designs. Two designs. One is the default design, and I created one more design. Guys, everybody is able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everybody good?
Yes.
Good. Now, I create one more design. Let me show you second time. VIP patient registration. VIP. 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 I create a page called VIP. VIP page. Click save. Again the same thing. I drag only one section. I will say VIP info. I'll say okay. First name, last name, right? Phone number, patient registration number I'm displaying. Problem or issue. That's it. For a VIP patient, we don't want to capture whether fee paid or not, what is your house location, what is your credit card number, what is the facility. I'll put the department also. Department and facilities. I'm creating a VIP page, right? Only one section. This section, I'll say delete. How many pages are there now? Two designs are there. Total 3 designs. One is the default design, top to bottom, unarranged. Second one, patient layout, designed, walk-in patient, designed, right, by sections. I have number of sections. The next one, VIP patient. Now, when I go to the patient, when I click new, it's still loading the patient layout, the longer one. Because it doesn't understand which one to load. Go to the developer. Here, total how many designs are there? 3 designs are there. I click on page layout assignment. I click on edit assignment. You can now decide which design to load For this particular layout, for system administrator, load walk-in layout. All the other users, because Rahul is on supervisor, this is Rahul. Rahul would be able to see that long page, top to bottom page. But whereas whoever is administrator, see that two different user can see two different designs. See, system administrator, I'm setting it to walk-in patient design. Now I close save. Everybody will be able to see the normal design, patient layout. Only Rupam can see, right? Whoever is admin can see walk-in patient design. Let's come here. Refresh. Let's come here. Refresh. Let's come here. Refresh. I click on new. See what loads now. Can you see? Patient first name, Ravi, last name, Ravi Malhotra. Mobile number, landline number, primary email. See, I have arranged it as per my requirement. Right? Then patient payment details, 500 credit. Then patient problem, right? Problem, right? Heart pain, medical history, right? Two bypass surgery, department, neuro. Select the choices. Scroll down. See, my design is getting loaded. Whichever design that I made. See, I arranged the field. First name, last name. I arranged the field. First name, last name. See, I click on save. Right? Now, see, exactly the way we created it, it's saved in that way. Check it out in the screen. Clear till here? Clear till here?
Yes.
Yes, Rupam. Yeah.
That's good. Now, let's do something different, or let's take one more example. Suppose you are in an ICICI bank. There is a department called as loan. Tell me how many types of loans are there? Personal loan, vehicle loan, nothing but car loan, housing loan, gold loan, education loan, mortgage loan, so many. Now, will you create a tab like this on the top? Patient, like I create a patient tab, right? Will I keep on creating 10 tabs? No, right? You will create one tab called loan. Now, Rupam handle personal loan as well as, right, gold loan. Personal loan has a different requirement. What is that? Salary, tenure. Gold loan has carat, 24 karat gold or not, 22 karat, gram, weight, date of purchase, hallmark, yes or no. Right? Vehicle loan has vehicle type, diesel or petrol, manufacturing date, right? Year of manufacture, registration number, engine number, chassis number, right? Every loan has its own type of field requirements. If it's a property loan, property size, flat size, carpet area, right? Flat area, right? All those informations. Right? With me what I'm saying? Every loan is different with some common fields like name, phone, fax, address, father name, email. These are common in all the loans. But then you have one section which is specific to that loan. What will you do? Will you create 10 different tables? No, you'll create one table called loan. Then you will create all the fields. Then you will create 5 different page layouts called gold page layout, housing page layout, vehicle page layout, personal page layout, personal loan page layout, and education loan page layout. You will design this page as per your requirement. For example, the patient contact details. There you will say that gold loan details. Whenever it's a gold loan form, you will drag the gold loan fields. I told you all fields dragging is not compulsory. Similarly, if it's a personal loan, then you will not drag the gold loan fields. You will drag only the personal loan fields. If it's a let's say that housing loan, then you will drag and drop the housing loan field. Now, but the problem is that, right? Rupam can access, one user can access only one page. I want to access more than one page. How can I do that? Here, every time Rupam clicks on new, it loads that walk-in page. I want to load the VIP page also. There's one more page, no? So if I edit, scrolling down, right? Scrolling down. For system admin, I change it from VIP page and I click on save. Next time when I click new, system should load the VIP form. By default, one page layout, one profile. I click on patient. I click on new. What it loads, see. Where is the long form? See, it's loading VIP info form, where we are just taking the patient name, problem, mobile number, and we are admitting a patient. We are not even asking fee. We are not even asking any details. So one profile can see only one form, either VIP form or he can see walk-in form. But I want to see two forms. How can I do that? For that, you have to scroll down, click on record type. Write down record type. Pick list value, pick list value, pick list value, pick list value to access multiple page layout. 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 Right? So let's see. I click on record type. I click on new record type. I give the record type name as NORML, normal, PATI, normal patient. What is the description? Use this form to register normal walk-in patients. Check active. Make sure that all the profiles are checked. Click next. Which form you want to load? I want to load walk-in patients. Don't click save and new. 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 Do not click save and new. Must not, should not click save on new. Click save. Once again, click on record type. Click new. Let it be master. Always it has to be master. Next, what is that? VIP patient. VIP patient. Done. Description. Use this form to register VIP patients like celebrity, known politicians, national players, award winners, awardees. Right? Active? Yes. Enable for all the profile? Yes. Just give me a sec. Right? Click next. Which page you want to load? I want to load the VIP page. Click save. Don't ever click save when you're here. Click save. One minute, I'm just chatting with someone. Hi, Mike. It's not there. It's there. Right? Done. How many record types we created? 2 record types we created. 2 forms. One more record type created. I'm just creating. One more record type created called as, right, BPL patient, below poverty line patient. Use this form for use this form to register below poverty line patients. Right? So I click on active. Enable for all the profile. Check this. Click next. Right? Right? I'll say what? I'm taking the patient layout, the normal one, whichever was the default. I click save. Done. We created 3 record types. Wait now. Right? Just wait for 2 more minutes because it will take time for deployment. Right? Okay, now let's go ahead and see the end user screen. I'm doing development there. I'm coming to the end user screen. Right? I'm refreshing. I'm refreshing. Now I go ahead and I click on new. You see what happens. Oh, no, it didn't got deployed yet. Not yet deployed. So tell me guys, what are the movies you are watching?
On one page, can we edit a VIP page and general page patient?
I didn't got it. Once again, repeat it.
As a one single page, we have mentioned over top side VIP and general patient. When general patient is coming, we just click the general box, then it comes to general page.
That's what we're doing right now. Correct?
Okay.
That is why I created the record type. Right?
Okay. Yep.
That is what I'm asking you. Which movie are you watching these days? Okay, I'm just waiting. Let wait. That is exactly what I did. Next time when you come and you click new, you'll get the choices. Here we go. you get a choice. You cannot get a drop down, but you are getting a choice. Normal patient, use this form to register normal patient. VPL patient, use this form to register below property patient. If I take normal patient, my sections load. General patient information, patient contact details, the one which I created. I click new. I say below property line, VPL. It loads the long page form, the longer one, the default layout. You remember? This is where the first name is on the top, last name is here. Next, when you click new, you go ahead and load the VIP patient. It loads the VIP form, small form, only small form, only one section form. See, same table, but different designs I can create and I can display. Same table, different designs that I can display. This is called record type. Whenever you create a record type and you assign a record type to a page layout, for example, I create a record type in normal. This I assigned it to what? Walk-in layout. BPL, this I assigned to the patient layout. VIP patient, this I assigned to the VIP layout. Clear now? Right? Yes, answers your question. Guys, everyone with me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, Ritu, yeah.
Right? Able to understand? Now,
Yes,
let's
sir.
assume that, okay, let's assume that Rupam shouldn't be able to see VIP form, BPL form. There is a sales agent called Rupam. He shouldn't be able to see personal loan, gold loan, housing loan, vehicle loan, right? He is assigned to a mortgage loan. Other than mortgage loan, he shouldn't be able to see any other page layout, any other page design. How will you stop it? There we go. I go to the patient. I'm in record type. I click on page layout assignment. Whether I click here or I go to the page layout and I click on page layout assignment, both are same. Now you will see the layouts, the record type coming up. I click on edit, wait. I scroll down. Right. What is that? Our is system admin. Our is system admin. Oh, okay, right. Whenever he clicks BPL, I want system to load which form, which layout, walk-in. Whenever he clicks on normal, then also walk-in. Whenever he clicks on VPL, VIP, don't load VIP form, load the walk-in. Master, walk-in. Everything is walk-in. So that next time you choose VIP also, system will load same form. Administrator cannot see the VIP form now, even though he choose. Now I click on save. Right? I refresh. I go to my neighbor's house to see what's happening. I'm just killing the time. That's it. So, guys, tell me, how's the life going on? All good?
Sir, this is actually a simple form. Let's say when you are booking a loan, it should calculate the EMI schedule, it should calculate the maturity amount, all those things.
No, why? First, let us go step by step. First day itself, you want to launch the rocket?
No, just asking.
Without learning the ignition, right? Before you go to the ignition, we have to learn the rocket functionality, rocket body, rocket structures. Then we have to see, so many steps.
Oh,
Wait,
so
no.
those things are also feasible. Okay.
So we will do that. Don't worry. Right? Any other questions? Anybody wants to board the rocket? Don't worry. I'm preparing that rocket for you. But I'm preparing step-by-step rocket. First create a field. Now create a design. On the phone number field, can I enter a text? I don't want the name to be 2-character name. Somebody say A Ahuja. What is that A Ahuja? What is the first name? Dear A. What is that A? Can't you write Anand Ahuja? How can I stop it? Slowly we will see. Validations, calculations, right? All these things will come slowly. First, let us do this all. Right? Patience, guys, patience.
So, Mr. Rupam, right now we gave the same page layout to all the three record
All
types.
the record
Yeah.
types. That's
So can we just now, as you asked before, can we restrict some user to only one page layout so we can disable the other two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what I'm doing, right?
No,
I've
you are assigning
disabled
the
the other
same
two.
page layout. Yeah.
The meaning is disabling the other. When I say same page layout, that means disabling the other.
Okay.
Right?
No, is
When
it
I click on
possible to see
normal,
only the normal
no,
normal patient only
no,
and
you
not the?
cannot. You
Okay.
cannot. You cannot disable
Okay.
these choices.
Okay. Okay.
That programming. If you want that no Rupam, I want to only disable the choices. I want to disable the record type. I want to disable the record type. No, you cannot disable a record type. Based on a profile, can I disable a record type? No. Record type will be visible. But when you click on the record type, normal will give you the normal form. New. BPL will also give the normal form. Here I should get a straight long page, but I'm getting next. VIP also will give the same normal form. So whether I select gold loan, whether I select personal loan, whether I select whichever choice, system will load only one page. System will load only one page. System will load only one page. See, this page only it will load. It's not loading the VIP form. You're restricting the page layouts. Here as an admin, you can do that. If you don't want nurse to access the VIP layout, only the VIP layout to be accessible to doctor, in the nurse profile, put it all, even the VIP choice also put normal working. Only for doctors, give the choices. You can do that. Clear?
Also, one more question: if there is only one record type, will it still all ask or directly?
Yes. No, it'll show. Still ask. If you create one record type, it will show that one record type. You have to
And
choose
then
any
go
other.
inside.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's correct. If you create a record type, record type, right? Whatever you call it. People call record type, record type, right? Understood? So today what you have seen, additional fields plus page layout, that's a design, plus record type. Multiple design can be accessed by a single profile. A single profile can access multiple design through record type, through record type. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
BPA weekly meeting 15 minutes. Okay, I have a meeting in 15 minutes. Fine. Right? Shall we proceed forward? For the next 15 minutes, shall we utilize it more? Or you say it's enough? You want to practice? Your wish.
No, proceed. I think.
Right, that's good. Let's proceed. Next, whoever is in mobile, for them is compact layout. In a mobile, I cannot load a big form. You can start creating a design there also. Same thing the way you did it for page layout, there's something called compact layout. I'll say new compact layout. I will say mobile 1. I'm creating a design. Mobile, MOVILE, mobile VIP. Doctors using mobile phone to create a VIP patient. What are the fields you need? Patient first name, patient last name, patient email, patient, what else? That's enough. Only 3 fields. Safe. Right? Only 3 fields. Compact layout. I created mobile VIP. I'll click on new. Same thing I'm doing. The way I created a page layout, I will say mobile walk-in. MOBILE. Mobile normal walk-in. There, I will take details, but not full details. That's enough. All the important fields I'm taking. Done. How many layouts are there? 2 layouts. For mobile, I go to the compact layout assignment. Same thing. There also, these are the record type we created. I will set it. Right? I will set it. What? VPL patient. For VIP, load the mobile VIP. For normal, load the walk-in. For VPL, load the default. See? Default. If you take all as system inherited from primary, what is this? This is nothing but the page layout. From the desktop page layout, it will take. Desktop page layouts is nothing but we have just seen. It's a long form, 5 sections are there. No, I want to create a separate page layout for mobiles. You can do that. This will activate only when somebody is accessing for mobile application. See that? Items in the mobile app, only in the mobile app. If you are using, if a doctor want to register a patient from a mobile, now same thing when they do it from a desktop, it will give you a lot of information, but for mobile, same VIP form with only 3 fields. There 5 fields. Here when you select VIP, 5 fields comes. But from mobile, only 3 fields. We call them as compact layout. Compact layout. Mobile designs. Is this profile dependent? No. For everyone, it's the same. If you want profile dependent, then inherit from the primary. Then, right, others, right, whatever you have set in the page layout assignment, that will be also reflected in mobile. If you want to override the mobile, then you can go to the compact layout, you can create some mobile layout, and then you can assign. This is for mobile users. Users using mobile phone. Mobile users. Called compact layout. For compact layout. Clear?
Yes.
Right? That's it. We'll stop today. We'll see the remaining.
Sir, two different users can see the different design.
Yeah. If you have 2 different profile.
Okay.
Obviously, that is what the purpose of design layout. Well, 2 different right profile. For example, supervisor 888. You will be able to see whatever you have configured here. But whereas administrator can see only walk in.
Yeah.
So that's the whole exercise that we have done.
Okay. Yep.
Right? Two different users can see 2 different designs if they have 2 different profile. Because obviously, but one profile, because it's a profile dependent. If you're in one profile, if there are 100 users, then all the 100 will see the same design. There's another profile created. They can see something different design. You can assign a design to a profile. Page layout assignment is nothing but to a profile. I'm assigning the designs. You can see that. Right? So now for tomorrow, learn Excel and come. For tomorrow, learn Excel and come. Click on formulas. Click on text formulas. Learn left, len, mid, right, text, trim, char, exact. Learn this. Logical, and, false, if formula. OR formula, NOT formula, true formula, XOR formula. Date, date value, day, days, minute, month, time, time value, now, second, today, weekdays, date, almost everything. Mathematic value. Basic I'm giving, okay? Right? Sum if, sum product, sum product. Learn this in Excel and come. I'm not here to teach you Excel, right? Don't expect. Go to Google, type sum product. What is a sum product? Right? SUM, sum, PRODUCT, sum product formula. Go ahead and research. What is a sum product? How to use sum product? Somebody is writing a formula. Sum product, list of, list 1, list 2, list 3. Use, see sum product. How can I use a sum product? Excel, Microsoft Excel class. Microsoft Excel class. Go and do the research. Tomorrow, you want to calculate? No, somebody has put a wish today. I want to calculate, values, percentage. I want to calculate the percentage of it, total money. Right? I have to do a lot of calculations. Somebody said so many calculations. So for calculations, you need a formula, right? I want to calculate simple interest. I want to calculate compound interest on the page. So we need a formula. So you need to know sine formula, cost formula, right? Finance formulas, right? So many formulas are there. Excel is not that easy. How much you think? Excel is not that easy. Just entering a data and using this, what do you call it, sum, right? It's not that great. That's not called Excel. I will say that you out of 1 to 10, you know only 1. Your grade, your rank is 1 out of 1 to 10. If you just enter Excel, some data name, grade, and you keep on, doing some addition, multiplication, then you don't know Excel. That's it. If somebody asks you, do you know Excel? Directly say, I don't know Excel. That should be your answer. Right? You want to see Excel? You want to see Excel? In Excel also we write program. Do you know this? Excel program? Seriously, yes. Open. We do. Let me open.
Baby.
VB macro. We write a program. Those who know. Right? Okay. You see that developer. There's Excel developer tab is there. See that visual. You say, see the program. Oh, what I tried. See the program. Module 1. I'm writing a lot of program. Excel only, bhai. Excel is not that easy what you think, just entering a data, name, phone, right, and marks, and then just click at the bottom sum, it'll add. That's not called knowing Excel. If you know this formula, then we call Excel. There's so many things, trace precedent, trace dependent, right? Goal seek, right? So many things are there. So little bit explore on this formula. And I don't want the complete Excel. Just come up with a formula calculation tomorrow, right? And we will see that. Thank you, guys. That's it for today. Have a nice and wonderful day. If you have any question, tell me. Right? So, thank you, guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye. Keep repeating these exercises. I'm not giving you homework because I'm expecting that you will do by yourself all these. Okay? So, thanks. Bye-bye, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Take care. Good day.